In this video, we will explore the basics of governance. Governance play a crucial role in organizations, ensuring that they are effective, managed, accountable, and aligned with their goals and objectives. What is governance? As at core, governance refers to the system of rules, practices, and processes by which an organization is directed and controlled. It's essentially the framework that guides decision making, set of responsibilities, and establishes accountability within an organization. Key elements of governance: roles and responsibilities. One fundamental aspect of governance is defining roles and responsibilities. This means clarifying who is responsible for what within the organization. Clear roles helps to avoid confusion and ensure that tasks are carried out effectively. Decision making. Governance establishes decision making processes. It defines how decisions are made, who is involved in making them, and how information flows within the organization. These processes can vary from hierarchical, collaborative, depending on the organization structures. Accountability. Accountability is a cornerstone of governance. It means that individuals and teams are answerable for their actions and decisions. Accountability promotes transparency and ensures that responsible are answerable for their actions. Policies and procedures. Governance often involves the creation and enforcement of policies and procedures. These documents set the rule and guidelines for how organization operates. They cover areas like compliance, ethics, and operational standards. Performance monitoring. Another critical element is performance monitoring. Governance include mechanism for tracking and evaluating the organization's performance against its goal. It ensures that organization is on the right track and can make adjustment as needed. Types of governance. Corporate governance. Corporate governance focuses on how company is managed and controlled. It's particularly important for public companies and involves aspects like board of directors, shareholders' right, and financial transparency. IT governance. IT governance, as we discussed in CISA domain, pertains to the management and control of IT resources within an organization. It ensures that IT aligns with business goals and risks are managed effectively. Non-profit governance. Non-profit governance applies to organizations that are not driven by profit. It includes aspects like compliance with non-profit laws, oversight, and donors' transparency. Public governance. Public governance is about how government and public institutions are managed. It involves principles like transparency, accountability, and citizen participation. Why governance matter? Governance matter because it provides the structure and discipline needed to run organization effectively and ethically. It helps prevent conflict of interest, mismanagement, and fraud. Additionally, it ensures that organizations remain compliant with the laws and regulations. To conclude, governance is a set of rules and practices that guides organizations, management, and decision making. It involves defining rules, setting policies, and ensuring accountability. Different type of governance apply to various sectors, each with its unique focus. Understanding governance is essential for effective management and achieving an organization's goal.